Oh my!
This is something I've been wanting to do for a while now. This is an escape. You've come now. This is an escape. He's gonna, my dad's gonna chain me up on these, and I'm going to escape from it.
Can you show that it's all solid first? That
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Pull it. That's a good pull, and the chain to make sure it's not fake. You know, we don't want people saying that we're cheating.
Yeah.
That's it. And the locks. Show the camera the locks.
The locks are real.
Right.
Can't move it. I can only do it by turning the key.
That's it. Okay,
This one as well. See?
So both the locks are open now, are
That one's shut. I just shut it.
they? Okay, so open that lock then. Okay, so to make it fair, take the keys out. No, yeah, give me the keys. That's it. The keys are in my hand, everybody, and I'll put them here in front of me. Actually, no, I'll put them. Yeah, I'll keep them there. Right. Okay.
Yeah. The sleeves up.
Right. So I'll put the camera down, everybody. So I've now got a chain up
Everybody.
Charlie's hands. Okay, so this is the hard bit. So where's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's the thing. There. So one wrist through there.
Chuck that on, will you?
I'll put it on.
Okay.
Make sure I get in camera. And there's the lock. See, open. And I put it through. God, it's so fiddly.
If you can.
Oh, I'll get it through. There.
Longest video ever.
Okay. That's now chained up. Okay. Now the other side. Move your hand across a bit, mate. That's it. Make sure it's on camera, so we can't be accused of cheating. And the lock. Open. See? Open. Same thing, I'm going to chain Charlie's hands up, and after I have, we will show you that he's actually completely chained up. Right, just show that lock there.
Yeah.
That's locked.
Is it on?
Yep.
It's on.
That's locked, and then this is locked as well. And you see, pull back a bit, you can't get his hands out of there. Right. Again, I'll just pick the camera up. So there's no cuts, it's all one take.
I know I've got thin arms, but I won't be able to get through.
Okay. So whenever you're ready, are you going to turn around or are you going to drop your hands below the table?
Turn around.
Okay.
One. Ah. Still chained up.
Same. Still locked. Still locked. Kill.